If you want to purchase a vehicle warehouse in GTA 5 Online, all you have to do is simply register as a CEO. So to do that, simply bring up the interaction menu. So if you're on console, press and hold the touchpad on PS5 to bring up, and then ensure that you register as a boss or register as a CEO. And then from here, go to your office and access and interact with this computer. So interact with it. And then select the vehicle cargo option. Now, if you don't have a warehouse, you should see a list of all the available warehouses on the map. So you can find the one that you would like, or rather the one that suits your preferences. So find the one that you'd like, and then all you have to do is select buy vehicle warehouse, and then customize the look for that particular warehouse. And then once you're done, simply click on confirm and select confirm, and you'll have successfully purchased that particular vehicle warehouse. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.